This is how you can create an app with the WP Data Access App Builder. When on the WP Data Access plugin, navigate to the App Builder. By clicking on Create New App, you will be brought into the App Wizard. Firstly, you need to select an app type. You can choose between 6 different options. Selecting a chart will give you an interactive visualization of your data, giving you a clear overview. With the Data Administration option, you have the ability to edit your data table live, making it very easy to manage all your data. If you are looking to create a collection of apps, the Data app has you covered. It gives you the option to cycle between different applications. The Data Table option is the read-only version of your data table, meaning your data is uneditable with detailed views. The Map option creates a Google map visualizing your location data. And finally, use the registration form to let users add new data to your table. For this example, we will continue with the data administration to create a manageable data table. Start the wizard and you will firstly need to give your app info. Put in an app name. I'll be using example app name. Put in an app title and choose your preferred language. Following this, you will need to select your database and the table that you want to convert into your data administration. Here you can select which columns are relevant for you. Don't worry, you can always change this later on. Finally, in some cases you might want to limit the amount of access. You can select between roles, users, but can also give anyone access by selecting the anonymous option. Press finish and your app has been created.